not on your face though, unless you want it to be.
You doing interviews?
Absolutely.
What do you have? Wait.
Our YouTube channel, me and my brother do YouTube. So we travel all across different countries, new country every month. We found out about Tobago when we was in Trinity. So we like, all right, we gotta come to Tobago.
What's the Instagram?
Instagram, I'll send it to you. But he's a YouTube, so say what's up. Talk to him.
Hi, what's up? Welcome to Just Jam. I hope you all have a good time.
Absolutely. Thank you. What about, man? Feel good, man?
Yeah, boy. Back to the people, bro. Tell them where we at, man.
Tonight is all about Just Jam.
Yeah.
This is the free vibes.
Yeah.
For Juvet and Tobago.
Yes.
It's gonna be crazy. We're going from one to the next. You never sleep. You got sleep. You got sleep. You got it. No sleep. You ain't got any sleep. We're not sleeping until we leave Tobago. That's it.
Yeah, man. That's how we do that. That's how we do that.
Alright, so boom. Shout out Major Penny for getting me and DK into the event. So basically, Just Jam was held at an event. Event space was called Vibes. Vibes was a brand new event space. Well, it just got renamed after new management. As you can see, the vibes is crazy. Event space is nice. It was a lot of events going on at the time in Tobago. So as you can see, it's like not a huge turnout, but if there were, more isolated events, we can see this being potentially a huge, function. But so far so good with this event space. Nice vibes, everybody enjoying their time. And as y'all can see, man, we turned up in there. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, boy.
Quality content that I can give y'all. What's going on? What's going on? Make sure you subscribe to DKTV, DMPTV, man. Worldwide travelers, you know that. Tobago, we here.
Hey, I'm chilling, having a good time. I was tired, I ain't gonna lie. We had to warm up to it. You feel me? But you put some bad women in front of your boy at 6 in the morning, you can't really be mad at that. So
It's definitely energizing.
exactly, and plus we gotta get this money. Hey, he looking like this at 6 in the morning. He doing this for a reason. You feel me? I ain't there yet. I might get a little paint. Actually, we don't know what's gonna come. A little decoration. Y'all gonna see what's up. But hey, make sure everybody like, comment, subscribe. It's DMPTV. It's DKTV.
Where you from?
Where you from?
Where you from? Yeah,
DMPT girl. DMPT girl. See how people distant cousins. She got the GC flag. Hey, y'all already know. Like, comment, subscribe. We having a ball out here. Tap in.
Whoop. Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
Oh.
Behind the truck, everybody let's go, behind the truck, let's go. police.
I don't want no problem, I just want enjoyment. She don't want no problem, she just want excitement. Drink.
Look who we find, y'all. Yeah, y'all know what's going on. The travel.
And you're not drunk as yet. Big up to you. Right. This is level 3 now, right?
Hey y'all, and this is part of the adventure that y'all don't see. You feel me? We right after Juvet with it. And you know what? We said we'll walk. Get a workout in, why not? A lot of y'all too lazy. And y'all not in shape. That's why y'all can't travel like this. I'm not saying we the most in shape people, but dang, go get up and walk. It's 11:30, right after Juvet. Partying all morning. Still go get a workout in. Everybody tap in. It's DMP TV. My boy DK TV. We on the road to 100K. Tobago. We here.